squad. I am back with another video. Anything different? I got a backdrop. Video is gonna be an affordable makeup for beginners video. I'm so excited to be doing this for you guys. We're gonna do just a little cute but simple and easy look for you. And all of the makeup products that I have here today are affordable. As you can see, my brows are already done. I went in with my eye pencil. Also, we're gonna go in with baby skin. You guys know I mentioned this in my...
I'm going to take my foundation brush and just smooth her all over the skin. And this really blurs out my pores, you guys. It makes my skin look so...
that I'm using today are also affordable. This is the Real Techniques brush, and it's the buffing brush, and it just looks like this. So the next thing we're gonna do is spray our face with the Rude Radiant Lasting Makeup Mist.
You can use it like a primer spray.
The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna prime our lids with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the color Beautiful Bronze.
So much. You know, Valentine's Day is coming up, so it kind of works. Well, I don't know if it kind of works. It does work. And you can also use it for, you know, anything else as well, not just for, you know, Valentine's Day.
I'm gonna take my pressed powder and I'm gonna set this concealer. Yeah, I don't know if I'm getting sick or what, but I know I don't have time. Like I don't have time. So the powder that I'm using is from Ulta. It's the banana powder. And I'm taking another Real Techniques brush. And this is the contour brush, but I use it
for my highlight and powder.
Palette I'm already working with sus, and it's the Zodiac BH Cosmetics palette. On the site right now, this is $15.38, and I'm sure it's, I don't know if it's free shipping, but I do know it's $15. So for a palette this beautiful, girl, go cop that for $15 because you can't beat it. Okay, with this tan color as our transition shade. And we're just gonna put that all up here. Well, not even, we can put it all over the lid actually. You guys, I love the pigmentation of this palette. If you don't have it, I really encourage you to go get it. The purple, tapping some off.
And we just wanna concentrate that right on the lid area. And we can kinda, you know, work with it and build it up. Now you can use any color for this. I just said purple with a pop of yellow because it's easy. And I actually like the purple in this palette. So just like that right there. And we're going to go on the other eye, taking some of the pigmentation down. And we're also going to blend it in with our transition shade. So, you know, just like that right there. And we're going to take our brush that we use
For our transition shade, and we're just gonna make it look seamless. And blending is really not that hard. I mean, only if you make it hard. That's the only way it could be hard, but it's just literally going in circular motion, making sure those colors are blending in ever so beautifully. Old eyelash glue. Go in with our foundation and just gonna drop a couple drops down the face. I don't really have
and very put into my skin. So here it is. I'm gonna spray it with some of my spray. And we just untap away. Slowly. So
I guess we can do a little bit like that right there. And a bit of my nose, my forehead, and Cupid's bow, and just bake like under my eyes. And even then it's a pretty light bake. but normally you'll just contour. Now I only do powder contour because, and this is very affordable, this is the mineral powder in the color Cognac from Ruby Kisses, once again from my local beauty supply store. And I also have this brush that I got. So let's wipe away this bake. I'm going in with the CoverGirl Queen collection. This was $6 from my local Dollar General, and I really do like this powder. It's very affordable, and this is the color. So I'm taking this brush. I got it from TJ Maxx. It was in a $10 set, and it came with a bunch of eye brushes.
So we just want to wipe away that bake.
Yellow inner corner, I'm going in with the Kiss New York Professional yellow, and it's called Chaos, like that, and put it right in the inner corner. I'm gonna spray my face. For highlight, I'm using the Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighting powder. This is the most natural highlighting that I ever do, because y'all know I be glowing up, okay? Lippies that I have today is the LA Color Matte Colors. This one is in the color Suede. This one is in the color Sultry. So let's put Suede on first. And it doesn't have to be popping because your eyes are already a popping color. So this can go in the middle. And alright guys, this is the end of the video. This is my natural beginners makeup tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video as much as I did recording it for you guys. Remember, hit that bell, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.